to touch it. We touched the pyramids, and now we're touching the Taj Mahal.
Oh my gosh, this is like an afternoon I'll never forget.
Good morning, everybody. Well, you know today is going to be special when you're waking up to go see one of the wonders of the world. We're going to see the Taj Mahal.
After quite the drive, I think it took us 4 or 5 hours to get out here, we've finally arrived in Agra and we're going to be exploring it all day today and spending the night. And the first stop that we've come to is Agra Fort. It's basically like, I didn't know much about it. Coming here, it literally looks like a massive walled city. Like, look at this, we're at the front gates about to enter. It is huge. Absolutely massive. This was basically the home for the emperor. So back in the 1500s, when they first had the emperor, they built this fort, and then as each emperor came into ruling, they kind of extended and added more buildings, and now it's turned into this amazing fortress. And it was during the time that Agra was actually capital. So that's why the emperor actually lived here.
It's actually an architectural feat just how much of this is built in marble. But the walls that are marble, the floor that we're walking on is marble. Basically, this entire courtyard is made out of marble. What are you spotting through there?
Guys, it is our first look of the Taj Mahal. We can see it in the distance. Oh my gosh, if it's this big from this far away, imagine how big it is when we go there. Like, look at this.
Oh wow, I didn't even see it before. It's just over there. It literally looks so much bigger than in the camera. So the second half of our trip here in India, we're doing something called the Golden Triangle, which if you go online, it's probably the most popular route you can do in India because it starts in Delhi, you go across to Agra, then you go up to Jaipur, then back down to Delhi. So you pretty much do a Golden Triangle.
Okay guys, it is the moment we've been waiting for. I haven't had a look yet. There's actually like this gigantic gate. We're going to walk through that and then we're going to see the Taj Mahal. And I don't want to look until like the moment we've walked through the gate, and then I'm going to look up. Okay,
so you
Steve?
can just get hit with it.
Yeah.
Also, there's
I'm so excited.
if you guys are wondering, there's no dress code to come to the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, you can wear whatever you want.
You can wear, yeah, it's like 1,300 rupees, like $26, which to come and see the Taj Mahal, that's a steal. That's so cheap. So before you can actually see the Taj, there's this red gate, and also there's a bit of a hole so we can see a little bit of the Taj Mahal
Slowly
opening up. And the way the architects have designed this passageway is almost like an optical illusion. You're walking in and it feels like the Taj Mahal is going further away from you as you walk in. It's hard to explain, but I'm seeing it right now. Wow. I can see why they call it a wonder of the world.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
It doesn't look real.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Also, that optical illusion walking through that, it literally just wow into your face.
This is amazing.
Gave me a drawer in your kitchen.
We've made it to the Taj Mahal.
Whatever the hurt, you knew right where to kiss it. You gave me the best of your heart.
So I'm taking over Fun Facts with Jess. If you guys want to know what the Taj Mahal is and why it was built, so there was an emperor. He was a bit cheeky. He had 3 wives, and his 3rd wife was his favorite. So he decided to build this mausoleum in her honor. So when she died, they placed her body here, and her body is still here. So she lays inside this beautiful building.
This is so crazy, guys. So of course, coming to the Taj Mahal at sunset, it is so busy, but for some reason if you come onto the side where it's more shadowed, it like literally looks like there's barely anyone here, and then you turn around and then you see everyone, and we just got so many fun photos. This is such a beautiful photo spot.
Bobby, you're gleaming.
I love it. I love India so much.
There's not enough time for it to slow down. Undefined, we put our flame upon ice, but you burn out.
We have our booties on. So we've just come up to the top.
So if you come to the top, yep, you have to wear your booties, and you can go inside, and we just did, but you can't film or anything. But you actually see her tomb inside. But I didn't realize you could get this close. Like, I'm about to go and touch the Taj Mahal.
Come on, let's go touch it. I need to touch it. We touched the pyramids, and now we're touching the Taj Mahal.
Oh my gosh, this is like an afternoon I'll never forget.
This is super special. Oh, this spot is perfect for bed.
Oh my gosh, we are exhausted, guys. It was like it was late night last night with Cara and Nate. Early start today getting here to Agra, but we're crazy because if we go to a place and we think it's worth getting up for the sunrise,
we do it.
We do it, and you cannot come to Agra and not wake up early and go see the Taj in the morning. So we'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early at sunrise, back at the Taj.
You can't rush a moment, so don't even try. Don't even try.
Wow.
Guys, and this is why you wake up for sunrise. Look how beautiful it looks during this time of day.
It's like pinks and soft yellows.
So beautiful, and it's not as busy as sunset, but it is pretty busy still.
It's pretty
Don't
busy.
you think? Like, gosh, it is a popular spot, but we're able to get some amazing sunrise photos. So, yeah, it was definitely worth waking up for.
So just as an ending cap to the Taj Mahal, it is said that the emperor wanted a mausoleum for himself, and it was meant to be black, built just across the river, and they actually had planned to build that one first. If they'd built that instead of the white one, I wonder if we'd be here today, if it will be just as popular as it is today.
So the place opens up at 6 a.m. We got here at basically 6 a.m. It is now 7 a.m. and look how busy it is.
This is like the famous Diana chair just here, as you can see, probably the shot everyone wants to get.
So if you want to come to the Taj, I recommend waking up super early, getting here at 5:30, so then you're near the front of the line, and then once you get in, take your photos at the front and then run over to
the Red
left side
Mosque.
gate.
Yeah.
And that is where you get the amazing photos.
I love how I just turn around and then that's just the background. Like it's
I just can't believe how busy it is. We're now making our way to Karauli, which is where we're going to be spending the night, and we've just stopped off at a place for lunch, and we just had the most amazing welcome ever. We have the marigolds, we have the colour on our head. Now we're going to go and have some lunch, and tonight we're staying in a really, really cool place. Guys, we've just arrived in Karauli, and it is so hard to describe what it's like walking around these streets, the sights, the smells. It's like overwhelming.
We're currently walking through the marketplace, and I have to say, this place is so vibrant. Feels so authentic as well.
So different to Delhi.
Definitely so different to Delhi.
Really colourful here.
So many people are wearing their traditional dress as well.
Almost got run over by a rickshaw. How friendly are the locals?
I know.
Oh my gosh, they're like excited that we're here. What have we found?
No, you wouldn't expect this in this little town.
I can't believe that we're currently standing on top of a 400-year-old palace. This is so cool, and everything is original. They haven't touched anything, so the paint is 400 years old. Everything. We went into the Queen's room, and now we are on the rooftop. Amazing.
Cool spot to watch the sunset. Just look how intricate the paintings are on the courtyard.
Yeah, I didn't realize, but every like area in India has its own palace. So this is the palace of this area.
Definitely think you found the best seat in the house.
Alright, ready to stay in our own palace?
That's gonna be cool. We have arrived.
I can literally hear the peacocks. So tonight, we're actually staying in the palace of the royal family. So they live here. They say sometimes they're like in and out of the country or in and out of the state. But we have literally arrived and we're sleeping in a palace. Hi. Oh, thank you.
Thank you. 201?
Okay, so we have our own dining room.
What? This place is humongous.
Oh, and our own living room with family portraits and everything.
Wow. This is the bedroom.
Oh yeah, this is the bedroom. It's like a 4-poster bed. We are literally staying at someone's house. Like, there's their wedding photos.
This is a house.
Oh,
this
palace,
is a royal
sorry,
palace. A royal palace. Well, thank you.
This is crazy.
Oh, it keeps going?
Oh, so this is like the getting ready area. What's that called?
Like the dressing room? Would that be this?
Oh, the bathroom's big.
Yeah?
Yeah, have a look.
Wow. Oh, it is humongous. Got a massive shower.
Wow.
This just keeps going and going.
Alrighty, we're going to show you more of this palace in the morning.
Wow, I can't say I've ever stayed in a royal Indian palace before, but we can check that one off.
We spent the morning walking through the grounds and there are so many peacocks.
We're having coffee in the royal courtyard. Cheers.
Cheers.
But I'm kind of sad. We're heading to our last destination here in India.
But it's like the top of our bucket list is the next spot.
Definitely. We're just going to grab something to eat and then we're jumping in the bus. It's about 5 hours to get to Jaipur. We've got about 2 more videos left in India. It's been incredible so far. If you are new around here, make sure you hit subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you guys next time. We've landed in this field and we can't get the car in, so all the locals have come. Now we're trying to... They're all helping to get us out.